Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable Google Assistant on your Oppo devices. Okay, so all you need to do, just search for the Google tab folder and scroll to the Assistant app. Just click the Assistant app and then all you need to say just hi Google, take me to Assistant settings.
Assistant.
And as you see, it opens up Assistant settings. Scroll down to the General tab as you see, and then all you need to do, just click the Google Assistant, the first option, and turn it off. Turn off, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.